Hold the carrier at the waistband with the label this side up facing towards you. Position the waistband high up at the base of your sternum. Bring the band around your back and thread it through the buckle. Bring it back around and buckle it in on the other side. Listen for the click. Tighten the band by pulling on the strap so it feels snug and secure. The shoulder straps will now be hanging down in front of you. Reach down and grab the right shoulder strap and place it over your right shoulder. Bring it around your back and buckle onto the left side. Now you're ready to bring baby in. Bring baby up facing you heart to heart towards your left shoulder. Using your right hand, guide baby's legs and bottom towards the deep-seated position, with baby's legs being welcomed into the opening space by the waistband and the right shoulder strap. Encourage baby to sit into a deep seat. Grab the buckle with your right hand and with your left hand, pull the strap forward into your midline. Now it's time for the left strap. Start by making sure that the fabric is spread at the base by baby's knees and pulled all the way up to baby's shoulder. Then drape the left strap over your left shoulder. Reach behind your back with your right hand and buckle into the right buckle. Pull the strap forward to your midline with your right hand. Pull the top layer up to the nape of baby's neck. Spread the fabric over your shoulders to create more comfort and open up visibility of baby's face. Make sure baby has a nice deep seat and that baby is close enough to kiss. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy baby wearing.